All died to that assassin. Every single one of them.
Two of them. I killed one and the other one jumped me.
And then it jumped me.
I was
And then
like
it jumped
screaming at you to heal. I don't know if you could hear me.
I was trying to heal. There was way too many rats. I don't think you know.
I was watching you.
Jesus.
We'll find those
Fuck. I had enter press, son of a bitch. Rip.
Careful. Guards are as dangerous as any in the city.
Have fun with the ogre, dude.
Yeah, no. Have fun with every rat converging on you guys from behind.
Gotta love trailing.
A great pyre of scorched and broken vermin bodies burning in the night.
Why can't all these hells be bombs?
Lost in thought.
Because you're not supposed to get to this point until 5 minutes in when your team has taken half of their life bar each.
Oh, good assassins. Always nice.
Found a bomb.
Found a bomb!
I don't think I'll be able to use it though.
You good, Panda?
Oh, the fuck. Oh, he saved my life.
Throw your firebomb.
I think that assassin may have killed himself. Yeah, he's dead.
Oh no. Alright, yeah, I got through this firebomb.
Got a speed pot, that's nice.
Ogre.
Are you good? I'm dropping.
Yes.
I have speed when we get through, or do you want to save it for the end?
Those fey feet of yours.
Just use it when you get through.
Because if we get an ogre, we can outrun it and ring the bell at least.
Yeah, yeah. You're right, Save it. That spot is pretty problematic, actually. I like that idea.
I think I'm going higher than I need. In that tree. I don't know what Jesus' plan is.
I'm gonna have to jump off once you guys are back in bounds and try to get a res at the end.
Yeah, actually.
But I'll just kill everything until then.
So you'll probably stop shit from spawning, so
Yeah, he's going to.
find a corner and spam push, I guess.
He hasn't taken like hardly any damage
Thanks.
since I put that assassin off of him. I just tossed a couple fireballs like way the hell behind me as I was finishing the wall climb. I got to him and just hurled one. I got it.
Well, if only potion share was map wide.
You guys make it.
We'll see.
Right now.
Kill myself.
I didn't make it.
Got a first try again.
I should speed you, I guess.
They're gnawing my bones.
Did you get that?
Still rolling. Path is relatively clear for me.
Hurry!
Yeah, they all spawned back here where I was.
Backstabber.
Oh, you have a gun. Oh, he killed himself on the tree.
Cross this bridge.
I can't. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I really don't.
You believe?
You're gonna have to make some room for you. That storm vermin's gonna get there before you. Alright, that one, if you shoot that one, you got time, I think, to ring it.
We'd best ring the bell.
Okay, just clear it.
Look out, assassin!
Oh, he died. Nice. The dodging kills of the two assassins.
Do you believe, guys? Do you believe?
Is the bell rung?
Yeah, it's
You
5:30.
can go get someone.
I'm all the way by the tree.
You have tons of time. You have more than enough to do that. If you want. I'll be up by the time you
Medical
get there.
supplies.
Like, it's a 2.5 minute phase. Ugh. I should have just asked you that speed pot to making that jump.
I was
Oh,
tempted to
it's
ask, but... It's okay.
Come, there's more rats to scorch.
I'm actually not even dead yet. No, I'm dead.
Again with the Sapana times. That coach belongs to them.
Now we have to work our way through.
Get away from me if you want. There is a one coming.
Yeah, I'm heading there. Pushing my way.
Making my way downtown. Walking fast. Making my way
Gotcha.
through the crowd.
I gotcha.
I'm gonna jaw that rat.
Oh, Packmaster.
I reckon you look better with a head
Yeah.
than without.
See, there's lots of
Oh,
time here.
charming, Gorikson.
No, watch you.
Even I can't
And I
find
miss
the-
you.
What are we looking at? Like a 8-minute run? What are we at right now? Okay.
I want to melt those barrels to a puddle.
Up there.
I'm gonna just take cover over here.
That gun won't
Boat
shoot
is basically there.
Come on, sedate. Come on. Yep.
7:59.
So that could be...
Oh fuck! I didn't record that shit. Someone
I
else
got it.
record that
Yeah,
shit.
yeah, I got
it. Jeez.
Jeez, Jesus.
Oh man, I've recorded all the failures, but the one we get fucking through. God.
And so how much faster can we get? Like 30 seconds?
Yeah,
Pretty good.
still. Sub 8's not bad, I'm happy.
Yeah.